just got to the Big Island. Haven't been here since 2016. I haven't been here since 2016. We were supposed to go to Maui, but I'm sure all of you saw those devastating wildfires. So we had to cancel our trip to Maui and we came to the Big Island. So we're here, we just got here this afternoon. I'm just doing a little bit exploring. I've never been to this beach before. It's called like Kukio? I'll let you know in the description below. I forgot how to say it. But it's like surrounded by lava rocks, black lava rocks, and like palm trees. It's just so nice. And then we got all these rock formations over here. So it should be pretty cool. Maybe I'll come down here and snorkel one of these days. Looks cool. These must be like vacation rentals or something like that. All the way over here. Good afternoon. What time is it? 11:05. We are currently hiking down to Captain Cook Monument, the best hiking spot on the Big Island. It's about, I think it's like 4 miles total, two round trip. 2 round trips, so you have to hike down to there, or you can take kayak or boat there. That's the only way to get down there. You can't drive. So we're hiking down this. We're in like the rainforest kind of area right now. It's gonna take us probably, I don't know, 40 minutes to get down there. And then the waters are supposed to be the best waters here. And if we can get lucky enough, probably won't see some dolphins. Dolphins like to hang out in there in the mornings before they go out and hunt at night. And there's also turtles and other colorful fish. So we snorkeled there one time when the first time we came to the Big Island in 2017. But we went by boat, we didn't do the hike that time. So it's gonna take us a little bit, and we should be there soon. Let's go. Got the watch playing the music, tracking my hiking right now. Let's see. Been walking for 7 minutes. You can't even see it. 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Only went 0.30 miles. 0.30. Been walking for 7 minutes. Almost a little over 7 minutes. Heart rate shows everything. So we'll be there in about 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. All right. Let's go. Bighorn sheep, some rams, some goats, whatever they are, they're looking right at me. Look, they want to. He looks mad. They want to charge. I don't know. No, they're walking away. And we made it. Here is the monument to memory of great Captain Cook. All right, we're about to go jump in. Goodbye, Captain Cook. All right, we swam with the fishes. Now I gotta make about another hour back up, which is gonna be rough because it's pretty hot out right now and it's all uphill. So hopefully it's not too bad. We'll see how it is.